Mucirithania wa igoti ria Milimani Bahati Mwamuye ni uritio athane ANAKE eri aria manyitirwo migwate mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku aria ni Kevin Muthoni na Stephen Bisi matwaro igoti-ini ni munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na munene wa DCI Mohammed Amin mari muoyo kana mari akuo. Ari mbere ya mucirithania Bahati Mwamuye, president wa KIAMA kia MAWAKIRI Faith ODHIAMBO niugite munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja hamwe na MURUNAWE wa RUHONGE rwa UTHUTHURIA DCI Mohammed Amin ni magararite watho wa igoti na kwaga gutariria kuria ANAKE aya mangikorwo mari.
We must hold the duty bearers accountable.
Yes.
They have access to public resources and they cannot come and tell this honorable court that they do not know.
ODHIAMBO ni oritie mucirithania Mwamuye arute watho wa gwatha Kanja na Amin marutirwo watho wa kiahinya wa gwikinyia igoti-ini.
My Lord, the respondents before you today have failed to comply with those court orders, and therefore the writ of habeas corpus sought in this notice of motion application ought to be issued.
Mwena-ini wake wakiri Martha Karua ni oritie igoti riri riathane ANAKE aya marekererio na rua tauria kwahoteka mari muoyo kana mari akuo.
The court first has a duty to order the production of that person, and that does not exhaust the writ. And the person is produced alive or dead.
Karua ni ongereire kuga ciiko cia unyitani migwate guku bururi-ini ni ciongererekete na gikiro kenene undu uria ututhurite haho na guoya kuri muingi wa bururi hamwe na agendi.
Abduction, brother, has become an epidemic.
Yes.
In this country since last year, and the court may wish to take judicial notice that there's been abduction of both foreigners and locals.
Mwena-ini wake wakiri wa gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu KHRC ni ugite aria manyitagwo migwate macokaga kurekererio na kuheo gatagati ga ciringi 2,000 na 3,000 cia kurugamirira marehi ma ngari na kurio matikagerie gutariria kiria kimahanikiire hindi ya kunyitwo migwate.
Appearances and or abductions happened in broad daylight. The abductions happened with motor vehicles that bore fake registration plates.
Hindi ya guthikiriria mateta maria marehetwo mbere ya igoti riri, bica cia video cia unyitani migwate ni irekereirio ta uira, imwe ciacio ari miario ya mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto akiranira ati thirikari yake ni ikuhukia kaimana ciiko ciothe cia unyitani migwate guku bururi-ini.
Mambo ya abduction tutakomesha, ndio vijana wa Kenya waweze kuishi kwa amani na vile vile wawe na nidhamu na wawe wangwana, tuweze kujenga Kenya tukiwa pamoja. Tumekubaliana?